So this is a little quick extra video just to go over another example if you wanted to see one. So here we're using brackets. The rule that we're looking at is y is equal to twice the sum, remember that sum means plus, of x and 4. So I've got the sum of x plus 4 and I need twice that. Now we wouldn't write it just like that, we'd make sure we put brackets around because we have this part, the sum of x plus x and 4, and then we have to double it because we want twice that amount. So we would write it like that. The other way that we'd write this using our algebra rules is we would write the number first because it's multiplying. So you could have it like that. The other way you could do it is you could remove the multiplication sign. Remember, you don't need multiplication signs in algebra. Now if you were doing a flowchart for this example, what you would need to do is have x to start with. We always start with the unknown on the right side. What is happening to it? Well, inside the bracket we would do that first. So we would add 4 onto x first. That would give us this x plus 4 inside the bracket. The next thing we would do is we would multiply by 2. Multiply by 2. So we would end up with y after that. They're the two things that are happening to x, adding 4 and multiplying by 2. And if we had an example, let's say that we had a table, just as you've had before, with x and y. We'll do a couple of examples. We'll do 0 and 2. So the first one, if you have 0, we're going to add 4. So 0 plus 4 is 4. And we're going to go across again, times 2. 4 times 2, well that is 8. So I would pop an 8 in there. The next one, we've got 2 for the x. So that starts in the first box. We add 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. And then we multiply that answer by 2. 6 times 2 is 12. So we would have that table of values there for the rule over here. So that's just an example of using brackets before you form your flowchart for an algebra rule.